safely and lawfully act in your defense. This is not just about law enforcement, ladies and gentlemen. It is about safeguarding the future of our democracy, ensuring the safety of our communities, and restoring faith in the systems that hold together our republic. Finally, we acknowledge the responsibility we bear as officers of the National Police Service and the DCI by extension to deliver justice for all victims and hold accountable those who commit crimes against innocent citizens. To fulfill this critical duty, it is essential for all Kenyans of goodwill to unite with us in eradicating the rogue elements within our society. I strongly encourage anyone with information about the individuals involved in the criminal activities that I have just cited and who are still at large to come forward and share that information with us through our toll-free hotline. Once again, I wish to reaffirm our commitment to thoroughly and promptly investigate all the criminal cases and deliver timely justice to the victims. The DCI remains steadfast and resolute in ensuring that our nation is safe and